has written to Arun Jaitley seeking relief measures for SMEs. Parisha Tyagi filed a report earlier. Let's listen in.
The Commerce Ministry is now putting a lot of stress on providing GST benefits to the MSME sector, as this sector not only contributes to job growth in the country but also in boosting the exports. Commerce Minister Suresh Prabhu has written a letter to Finance Minister asking him to take a series of actions for benefiting the MSMEs, and these actions include providing some sort of relief or liberalization of input tax credit for MSMEs. Remember, the MSMEs which sign for composition tax do not get an input tax credit, and this not only affects their working capital but also limits their prospects for exports. The Commerce Minister has also urged the Finance Ministry to cut down the GST for job workers or the workers who are involved in small activities, small manual activities or small works which go behind a final product manufactured by a big industry. So the Commerce Minister has asked for a cut in GST for this sector. They have also asked for operationalizing of a GST wallet for refunds provided to exporters. This has been out there, this demand has been there for quite some time now, but Commerce Minister has asked the Finance Ministry to speed up this process. Among other demands made by Commerce Minister, there is a request to provide concession on CGST provided to on CGST for enterprises and businesses in backward and disadvantaged areas. So these are the requests, the recommendations made by Commerce Ministry to the North Block, but now the ball lies in the Finance Ministry's court, and let's see how and when do they decide to act on it.
That was Parisha.